coronavirus. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. It's caused by an infection with the new coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, which is one of the multiple coronaviruses that can be transmitted to humans. Other examples of coronaviruses include SARS, MERS, and even the common cold. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of the viruses that cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases like pneumonia, MERS, and SARS. If we see about the epidemics of the disease, then it has captured over almost all the countries, and as a picture is showing, the countries which are indicated by red color are the countries with 100 or more confirmed cases, while the countries which are indicated by light color, they are the countries with fewer than 100 cases. But as we see, many countries it has captured in its hand. Now then, outbreak history. Firstly, it was discovered, or we can say it was diagnosed in China. So, a pneumonia of unknown cause detected in Wuhan, China was first reported to the WHO country office in China on 31st December 2019. The outbreak was declared as a public health emergency of the international concern on 30th January 2020, and it was announced as COVID-19 on 11th February 2020 by WHO. Cases of COVID-19, there have been over 2.6 million confirmed cases globally and over 1,82,000 associated deaths. The United States currently has the highest reported number of COVID-19 cases with more than 8,34,000 cases. However, due to a lack of testing, the number of actual cases may be far higher than the reported one. Over 45,000 people in the United States have died from the disease. If we talk about the structure of the coronavirus, it has spike glycoprotein, hemagglutinin, acetyltransferase glycoprotein, membrane glycoprotein, small envelope glycoprotein, and nucleocapsid phosphoprotein, as well as RNA, and it invade into the human body by spike proteins. Pathogenesis. Firstly, it bind to the ACE2 receptor at the membrane, and then it invade into the cell. Then it's this vector, it enters into the body, then it replicate there. After that replication, it will goes into the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. Then a number of virions are